And today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic. It's a clinic that is open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me now is Andrew Reinhart from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us.
Hello, good to see you. Thanks for having me.
You too, Andrew. It's always a pleasure. And today we are diving into this technology. It really is the latest breakthrough in technology for men who struggle with ED. Tell us all about it.
Well, that's right. Technology has changed pretty much every aspect of our life. It's finally, after 30 years of the pill, changing how we treat erectile dysfunction. This technology is called Acoustic Wave Therapy. Pineview Medical Clinic uses the most advanced version. Here's what it does. It delivers very gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, which causes, clinically by the way, those dying blood vessels to repair, open up, even regrow. One of the leading causes of erectile dysfunction is damaged blood vessels. So we go in, we repair it, and we've helped a lot of men get rid of the ED, no pills, no injections, and no surgery.
And Andrew, this shockwave therapy is needle-free, it's surgery-free, and it's drug-free.
That's exactly right. And that has basically been all that has existed for 30 years for men. Needles, pills, even the surgery. Nobody wants to go through that. I believe this is the future. Welcome to the future of treating ED. The pill will soon be a thing of the past.
Well, hello to the future. I mean, this procedure is also backed by so many different studies and publications. What are some of those, Andrew?
It is quite impressive, the amount of scientific data that we have and the scientific community that has gotten behind this. If you go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com, you can read almost 60 third-party studies. We're talking major universities, hospitals, journals, and colleges have studied this, showed it to be safe and effective. The Cleveland Clinic, that's one of the biggest hospitals in America, they tested this on men and said that it led to a clinical increase in blood flow. Exactly what a man with erectile dysfunction needs.
Well, lots of different studies actually backing this up. And Andrew, we know that ED is a pretty serious medical condition, but there's hope. Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available in the marketplace.
Well, the big one is eliminating the side effects. There are no side effects with our technology, but here's the other one. We're treating the actual problem. We're treating the blood vessels. The pills have addressed the symptoms, the injections address the symptoms, so a man becomes a prisoner to that process. For the first time, and as far as I know, this is the only technology that goes to the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction, so that when the timing is right in the bedroom, the blood flows where you want it, when you want it.
And it's no longer a Band-Aid solution, Andrew. Y'all aren't treating the symptoms. You're getting down to the root cause. And there's no pills, no invasive injections or surgery. Really?
Yeah, that's exactly right. It's going to the root cause and causing something called neovascularization, the regrowth of blood vessels, making blood vessels healthier. That is the key term, neovascularization, which can reverse erectile dysfunction.
Neovascularization. Now that is incredible. Give us a breakdown of how this technology actually works.
If you think about what we do to a muscle in the gym, it's kind of similar to that. We agitate the muscle so that it can build itself up bigger and stronger. Now, you're not going to feel that with these treatments, but that's essentially what is happening. We're tricking the body into healing itself and repairing its own blood vessels.
And Andrew, is there any recovery time from this procedure?
Zero recovery time, no pain. A session is about 10 minutes. You may only need a few sessions over a couple of weeks. That's it. That's the whole process. Just imagine what your relationship would look like 2 weeks from now if the ED were no longer an issue.
Absolutely. You're going to be spicing it up just a little bit. Do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today?
We have tremendous value today. If you're ready to put a stop to your ED, grab your phone and call that number before this segment ends, over maybe the next minute. The exam, the assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound, we're going to do it free. Plus a gift that produces results in the bedroom in minutes. You'll love it. Here's the number, 314-530-7777. Everything I just mentioned is totally free.
Yes, St. Louis, you heard Andrew correctly. It is totally free. All you have to do is go ahead and give them a call right now. As Andrew just mentioned, that number is 314-530-7777. Or you can also head online to pineviewmedicalclinic.com. Go ahead, make that appointment. Try out that acoustic wave therapy for ED. And like Andrew says all the time, press the restart button in the bedroom.